Two related problems became evident as the operon model was tested. First, inducers must enter a cell if they are to bind to repressor molecule. Yet, lactose transport requires permease, and permease synthesis requires induction. Thus, it must be explained how the inducer gets into the cell in the first place. क्योंकि जब पहली दफ़ा लैक्टोज ने एंटर होना तो उस वक्त तो परमिएज नहीं है जो उसको ट्रांसपोर्ट करवाएगा. तो ये जो क्वेश्चन है कि फर्स्ट टाइम लैक्टोज जो है या इंड्यूसर जो है वो कैसे एंटर होगा. सेकेंड प्रॉब्लम जो राइज हुई वो ये थी, द आइसोलेटेड लैक रिप्रेसर डज नॉट बाइंड लैक्टोज but does bind a lactose isomer which is called allolactose. Remarkably, beta-galactosidase also converts a small proportion of lactose to allolactose. तो beta-galactosidase जो है वो लैक्टोज की हाइड्रोलिसिस भी करता है, लेकिन उसमें से कुछ पोर्शन जो है वो लैक्टोज को एलोलैक्टोज में भी कन्वर्ट करता है. Therefore, induction of the synthesis of beta-galactosidase by lactose requires that beta-galactosidase be present. Both problems are solved in the same way. In the uninduced state, a small amount of lac mRNA is synthesized, roughly 1 mRNA molecule per cell per generation. So this small amount is normally synthesized in the cell. This synthesis, which is called basal synthesis, occurs because the binding of the repressor to the operator is never infinitely strong. तो ये बहुत strong नहीं होती, इसलिए ये basal synthesis जो है ये होती रहती है. Thus, even though the repressor binds tightly to the operator, it occasionally comes off and an RNA polymerase molecule can initiate transcription during the instant that the operator is free. तो हालांकि रिप्रेसर जो है वो टाइटली बाउंड किया होता है ऑपरेटर के साथ, लेकिन कभी कभी वो जो है वो ऑपरेटर से ऑफ हो जाता है और इसी मौके पे जो लैक mRNA सिंथेसिस जो है वो स्टार्ट हो जाती है. When lactose is added to a lac positive culture growing in lactose free medium, यानी कि लैक पॉजिटिव कल्चर है वो ऐसे मीडियम में ग्रो कर रहा है जिसमें लैक्टोज नहीं एडेड, और अब उसमें लैक्टोज ऐड की जा रही है, तो क्या होगा? The few permease molecules transport a few lactose molecules into the cell and few beta-galactosidase molecules convert some of the lactoses to allolactoses. An allolactose molecule then binds to a repressor molecule that is sitting on the operator, and the repressor is inactivated and falls off the operator. Synthesis of lac mRNA begins, and these mRNA molecules are translated to produce hundreds of beta-galactosidase and permease molecules which allow lactose molecules to enter into the cell. Most of the lactose molecules are cleaved to yield glucose and galactose, but some are converted to allolactose molecules which binds to and inactivates all of the intracellular repressor molecules. Thus, lac mRNA is synthesized at high rate and the permease and beta-galactosidase concentrations become quite high. The glucose produced in this way is used as an energy source for the cell. The glucose produced by cleavage reaction is used as a carbon source for energy, while the galactose produced is converted to glucose 1-phosphate by a set of enzymes which are also inducible. तो जो galactose है वो glucose 1-phosphate में convert हो जाएगा. Ultimately, all of the lactose in the growth medium and within the cells is consumed. Then the allolactose concentration drops so that there is not sufficient allolactose to bind to a repressor. The repressor binds to the operator, re-establishing repression and thereby blocking further synthesis of lac mRNA. चूंकि एलोलैक्टोज की कंसंट्रेशन लो हो जाएगी, एलोलैक्टोज जो है अब रिप्रेसर के साथ बाइंड नहीं कर सकेगा और अब रिप्रेसर फ्री हो गया है. ये रिप्रेसर जो है वो ऑपरेटर के साथ बाइंड कर देगा और फर्दर लैक mRNA की सिंथेसिस स्टॉप हो जाएगी. इन बैक्टीरिया most mRNA molecules have half life only a few minutes. अब देखें कि mRNA की सिंथेसिस स्टॉप हो गई और जो mRNA लैक mRNA ऑलरेडी सेल में बना हुआ है उसकी लाइफ जो है फ्यू मिनट्स है, यानी कि फ्यू मिनट्स के बाद वो mRNA खत्म हो जाएगा. Hence, in less than one generation, there is little remaining lac mRNA and synthesis of beta galactosidase and permease ceases. अब ये जो एंजाइम्स हैं ये बनना बंद हो जाएंगे. These proteins are quite stable but are gradually diluted as the cell divide. तो जो ऑलरेडी बनी हुई प्रोटीन्स हैं, आल्दो के वो बड़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग हैं, स्टेबल हैं, वो इतनी जल्दी डी नेचर या डिग्रेड नहीं होंगी, लेकिन विद द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम ये बहुत डिल्यूट हो जाएंगी. नोट दैट इफ लैक्टोज वर एडिड अगेन one generation after the original lactose had been depleted, cleavage of lactose would begin immediately as the cells would already have adequate beta galactosidase and permease.